A California state assemblywoman tweeted, "F Elon Musk," in response to the Tesla CEO, announcing that he would immediately move the company's main factory out of the state as stay-at-home orders are forcing it to remain closed. Democrat Lorena Gonzalez of San Diego sent the tweet after the Tesla CEO said he would file a lawsuit against Alameda County, part of the San Francisco Bay Area, where Tesla's Fremont Gigafactory is located. The country's health department said on Friday that Tesla's only vehicle factory must stay closed. While California Governor Gavin Newsom announced that manufacturers in the state would be allowed to reopen on Friday, May 7, Alameda County extended its shelter-in-place order, with only essential businesses permitted to reopen. Taking to Twitter on Saturday morning, Musk wrote, "Tesla is filing a lawsuit against Alameda County immediately. The unelected and ignorant interim health officer of Alameda is acting contrary to the governor, the president, our constitutional freedoms and just plain common sense." Musk followed this up with another tweet that read, "Frankly, this is the final straw. Tesla will now move its headquarters and future programs to Texas or Nevada immediately. If we even retain Fremont manufacturing activity at all, it will be dependent on how Tesla is treated in the future. Tesla is the last car maker left in California." It wasn't immediately clear if a lawsuit had been filed yet. Musk sent around an email to employees, stating that limited production would restart at the Fremont factory. The CEO has repeatedly voiced his frustration over the coronavirus lockdowns, praising other states, including Georgia, for reopening their non-essential businesses. Last week, following Tesla's first-quarter earnings announcement, Musk denounced the shutdowns as a substantial risk to the company's financials. Musk also said that, "Frankly, I would call it forcible imprisoning of people in their homes against all of their constitutional rights, in my opinion. It's breaking people's freedoms in ways that is horrible." California State Assemblywoman Gonzalez's tweet has attracted more than 11,000 likes. She did not follow it up with any additional comment about the Tesla CEO. Anyway guys, what do you think about Elon Musk and State Assemblywoman Gonzalez? Share your thoughts in comments section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.